Hi class, welcome to the course. My name is Nick Bergen and I'm going to be your instructor in this course. This course is a very exciting course and new course that we have offered. Global economics and sustainability. One of the hot issues right now in economics is sustainability. So if we're looking at our resources, one of the challenges we're facing is a lot of our natural resources are being consumed much faster than we ever expected. So we're trying to find ways to utilize these resources and sustain them more. This is going to be a very interesting course if you can provide that interaction where you're looking at some of the challenges facing our global economy. As the U.S. economy competes, we're trying to compete with other countries that have different standards. So these different standards are very important to evaluate, and you're going to be facing with a lot of challenges. So this will be a very fun course, and really we can start providing a lot of different depth as well for where we can provide basis. So we're looking at this course. Some of the objectives that we're looking at is looking at free trade, trade disputes, which is a big deal right now in our economy. Looking at the competitiveness of firms and how they have to compete with other countries. And these countries are all having different regulations, so the playing field is not the same. We're also going to be looking at differentiating the role of global economics as it relates to business decisions, the U.S. economy, and how long-term growth can be evaluated. We're also going to be looking at the role of global power and demonstrate some type of social responsibility. And social responsibility is going to look at this new concept that we're trying to talk about with regard to sustainability. So I'm really excited to be teaching this course, and I look forward to working with you all as well.